मॉर्निंग बच्चों। आज के लेसन में जैसे कि हमने वादा कर रखा था, टॉपिक टू टॉपिक नंबर सिस्टम के बारे में फ्रैक्शन एंड डेसिमल्स हिंदी में जो बोलते हैं और दशमलव संख्याएं कहते हैं। मैंने आप लोगों के लिए शॉर्ट में फ्रैक्शंस की कुछ ट्रिक ईजाद की हैं जिनको मैं इस चैप्टर में आपको पढ़ाऊंगा। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, फ्रैक्शन। व्हाट इज फ्रैक्शन? फ्रैक्शन it represent a part of whole number. फर्स्ट लाइन, represent and part of whole number, यानी कि whole number का part दर्शाता है। consisting of a number of equal parts, किसी भी whole number को equal parts में बांटने का तरीका जिसके द्वारा बताया जाता है वो fraction है। out of a whole number, एग्जाम्पल के लिए हम इस चीज को ले लेते हैं, इज दैट इक्वल पिज्जा एंड पार्ट ऑफ 4, पिज्जा 1 पार्ट 4, दिस पार्ट 1 ऑफ द फोर्थ, 1 ऑफ द फोर्थ, 1 ऑफ द फोर्थ, 1 ऑफ द फोर्थ, एंड अगेन दैट इज ए फ्रैक्शन। फ्रैक्शन इज रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय टू नंबर्स, फ्रैक्शन को दो नंबर से रिप्रेजेंट किया जाता है ऑन टॉप ऑफ ईच अदर सेपरेटेड बाय लाइन ए upon B. A, upper side, number on 2, numerator. B, number is below denominator. A, numerator, B, denominator. It's the main part of fractions. Type of fraction. Type of fractions. How many type of? Which types of? First, decimal fraction. Second, vulgar fractions. Decimal दशमलव भिन्न, vulgar अपभ्रंश भिन्न। B, third, proper fraction. Proper fraction after improper fraction, उचित अनुचित भिन्न। Like fraction, unlike fraction, unit fraction, equivalent तुल्य भिन्न, mixed fraction मिश्र भिन्न। And the describe next chapter is that it. What is decimal fraction? What is decimal fraction? You know decimals. Decimal fraction is that clearly show with example. A fraction whose denominator is only of numbers tens, 100, 1000 and its multiple, whose denominator 10, 100, 1000 and multiple. Numerator are also any 2, 3, 1, 5 is called be decimal fraction. Vulgar fraction is it called be other of whole number other than. Vulgar fraction, a fraction whose denominator is whole number but other than 10, 100, thousands and etc. Fraction but denominator are not 10, 100 and thousands. 1 upon 2 example, 1 upon 2 upon 2, 1 upon 2 upon 3, 11 upon 100 is an example. Third, proper fraction उचित भिन्न, 1 upon 2, 2 upon 4, 3 upon 7. Examples are clear. Which denominator is greater than numerator, it's called the proper fraction, and which denominator is less than numerator, it's called the improper fraction. उचित और अनुचित भी एक साथ पढ़ी जाती है। And next is like and unlike fraction. Like fraction whose fractions having same denominator, 777, 666, 555 and all of these. Numerator is not mentioned. 1 upon 7, 2 upon 7, 3 upon 7, 5 upon 7. Unlike fractions, denominator having no same denominator, different denominator, 2, 5, 7 and others. 1/2 unlike fractions. 1/7, 2/7, 3/7 is a like fraction. Unit fraction is that clear of example numerator is also 1, single 1 is unit, and denominator as other whole numbers, so 1/2, 1/3, 1/4 and etc. It called be unit fraction. Now second last, equivalent fraction. Equivalent fraction is 3/4, 6/8, 9/12. Is the clear of definition by example. Clear of definition by example, two or more fraction which represent the same part of which number are called equivalent fraction. Same part of, what is the same part? It is divided by 2, also 3/4. It is divided by 3, also 3/4. The equivalent fraction 3/4 to 6/8, 6/8 to 9/10. Last, mixed fraction. हिंदी में इसको मिश्र भिन्न कहा जाता है. Mixed fraction is the combination of whole number and proper fraction. Is the combination whole number 7 and the proper fraction is 1/2, whole number 7, 3/5 and etc. So we read in this lesson fraction, an example of fraction, pizza and definition, and last with types of fraction 1 to 9, and we read also is this definitions and examples 1 to 8, decimal fraction to mixed fractions. Now next class we will read properties of fraction, properties on fraction and